Tara and I are making our first overland journey in the flyer, and we have come upon a most amazing place. The plant life here is different from the plants we have seen in the forest and around our pond, and I must say, some are quite lovely to behold.
I want a closer look at those forewingers.
I say, look at the size of that one.
Are they feeding on those flowers?
It appears that they are using that long tube to suck up fluids from the flower base. But why would the flower provide food for these fluttering beauties?
Let's follow that fuzzy fellow.
It appears to be picking up some kind of dust from the dangling parts.
Interesting. If you go for the sweets, you get dusted. I'd say those flowers are using the bee. Sure, they give it a reward, but they also plaster it with, if you want my guess, sex cells.
Did you notice that each flower has a longer filament with a sticky tip? The insects tend to brush it as they dive in for their reward.
Fertilization with the help of an insect. Clever. Poor plant. What are those little suckers doing?
Just that, I think. They're sucking up the plant juices.
The plant certainly isn't getting anything out of this relationship.
This looks like a perfect opportunity for some predator to have itself a feast. What if all that sticky juice started to dry? It would most certainly gum up the beast's mouth parts.
And probably culture bacteria, which wouldn't be too healthy.
We must write up our observations for an article for publication. Let's title it Post-Feeding Hygiene in a Predatory Insect.
Or how about tidying up after a snack?
As we explored, we found many other predators and cooperative relationships as well. We have concluded that just as in the pond, energy is collected by green photosynthetic organisms. These are fed upon by a variety of herbivores, and the herbivores in turn become prey for predators. All waste materials, along with anything that dies, falls to the soil below and is eaten by scavengers. Anything remaining will be broken down by bacteria and fungi, organisms that release the molecules of life, allowing them to be absorbed by the plant roots and recycled, keeping the living system in operation.